I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie. If you are new, are y'all ready for this? This is going to be my 4-year-old little girl's bedroom makeover video, and I actually did a lot of this on a budget. So I'm so excited to share this with you. You guys will not believe the transformation. This is going to be just the makeover video, and then I'm gonna make you wait, and I'm going to show you the actual final reveal of the room in a separate video. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel with your notifications on, that way you do not miss that video. Every single room in our house has hardwood floors, which is awesome because it's easy to clean, but you definitely need a rug in all the rooms to make it a little bit more cozy. So this rug is from Wallpaper. We get most of our rugs from that company and we love them. They're super high quality. I will definitely have this rug linked in the description box below for you guys. And then we also decided to change the configuration of her room and move her bed away from the wall and place it in the center of the room. And it actually made this big giant room feel a little bit smaller, which is something that it needed. The next thing that we started working on was the wallpaper. It was definitely in my vision to have an accent wall with some kind of vintage but very feminine wallpaper. We went with Wall Blush for our wallpaper, and this one that we chose is called Terracotta Blooms, and it is perfect. I know wallpaper might seem a bit daunting, but it honestly couldn't be easier with this wallpaper from Wall Blush because they label everything for you and it's peel and stick. Now I am going to be completely transparent. We had a bit of a hard time because, like I said, Emmy's room has some weird ceiling angles, and of course I had to choose the wall that had a giant window in the middle of it. And to make it even more complicated, our windows are framed in beautiful molding, but that meant that we had to cut out some intricate details in the wallpaper in order to make it work. But we did it, and I love the way it turned out. So I do want to say, if you have a nice, normal, square room without a window, it is super simple to put up this wallpaper. The instructions say to start from left to right, and so we were rule followers and did just that. But because of the slanted ceiling, we started the wallpaper at the top of the sheet, but it caused the pattern to not line up at all. So we decided to go to the other side and start from right to left, and doing it that way worked. If someone were to ask me if I recommend doing wallpaper, I would 110% say yes, because it is such a statement in the room.
The other boys give my thanks only like an ex could.
Moving on to Emmy's bed, I knew from the moment that I decided to make over her bedroom that I wanted to use Betty's bed for her bedding because it's just perfect for kids. If you haven't heard of Betty's beds before, it's basically like a sleeping bag. It fits over the mattress like a fitted sheet, but it zippers like a sleeping bag. The best part about it is when Emmy gets out of her bed in the morning, she can make her bed herself. And I don't have to force her because she actually thinks it's kind of fun. So it's a win-win for both Emmy and me.
But you go back to the same old ways. Yeah, I'm so done with you. Oh, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. I'm so done with you. Yeah, I'm so done with you. And I thought you'd change, but you go back to the same old way.
Another thing that I had in my vision for Emmy's room was a canopy over her bed. I think that's so fun for little girls. And I got this canopy from Amazon, but once I got it out of the package and up against her bedding and the wallpaper, the color did not match at all. So I put it up just to kind of see what it would look like, but you'll see later in the video that I actually switched this out for a different canopy, and I love the other canopy that I ended up using a lot better.
And you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you.
We have Hemnes dressers from IKEA in every one of our bedrooms because they're super affordable and they're really good quality, and I like the look of them. A little trick that you can do with these IKEA dressers to kind of customize them and make them look a little bit more unique is to change out the knobs on these dressers. And I actually showed this in my last video, which was the nursery makeover. But you can get any kind of knobs that you want to fit the style of your room. Just change out the existing IKEA dresser knobs and you get a totally different look. All right, go ahead. What do you love it?
Yeah!
What do you love about it?
It just has flowers on the wall.
And you like that?
Yeah, and I can sleep like this.
Hey, Emmy,
Huh?
this is your new sleeping bag bed. Do you remember? Come here, let me show you. Look. You come up here, and there's a zipper. And you
So I can zip
unzip it.
Yeah, and then
Keep unzipping it. Okay, and then look. That's where you sleep. In there. What do you think of that?
Yeah, and then I zip it up.
And then to make it in the morning, you zip it up.
And I go like this, right here, and then I zip it up like this.
There you go. Bam, done.
Oh wait, there it is. What is this?
That's maybe gonna go on your wall up there. I just haven't hung it yet. You love it? I'm so happy.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side.
This table was something that my parents had already had. It was painted a totally different color, and so we just painted it white. And you can totally find some tables just like this on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Don't be intimidated if they don't look like they're in the greatest shape paint-wise, because you can always paint them and make them look totally different.
Let it all out on me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see.
This is the canopy that we ended up going with. It's also from Amazon. It was a little bit more expensive than the pink one, but the quality makes it so worth it. This is a gorgeous canopy. There's lace detail on it, and the material was just really heavy duty and good quality. And this canopy is also bigger than the pink one. It was exactly what I was envisioning and picturing and wanting for her room.
Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out on me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. I'm here. Let it all out on me. Let it all out on me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out on me.
None of the stuff that I am decorating this area with cost us any money. It was all stuff that we already had or that I borrowed out of my mom and dad's shop. They like to sell things on Facebook Marketplace. So I did kind of raid their stash, but I'll go into more detail in the room reveal video about where everything came from and why I chose each individual piece, because a lot of things are actually sentimental. This nightstand was actually something that we already had. I got this when Emmy was a baby. It was in her nursery. So it's fun to still have that and still be able to use it. And I'm really into changing out knobs on things and making it a little bit more unique. The last thing I'm doing in this video is steaming Emmy's Canopy. If you guys do not have a steamer, you need to get one. I will link this one in the description box for you guys. But I had so much fun steaming this thing. It was really satisfying and the wrinkles literally just melted away. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I am sorry that I'm not showing you the whole thing, but you'll have to stay tuned to see how it all turned out. I did end up changing a few things, so definitely make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on so you don't miss the room reveal video. You can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I do give you guys some behind the scenes stuff there, as well as a few sneak peeks. And that is gonna be it for today, you guys. I love you and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see